Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hopefully you can't see this little guy on my back, can't show him yet. Well, thank you so much if you watched the previous kombucha video that I made a few months ago, and it was all about how I personally flavor my own kombucha. So this time I'm taking a little bit of a different approach, and I am going to be using 100% pure juices to flavor my kombucha. And whereas the last time, he's really trying to talk to you guys. Whereas the last time I used fresh fruit, since it is starting to get warmer outside, I thought that it would be a good time to make another batch of kombucha and show you guys what I am doing this time. And so as I said in the last video, I actually use the Pro Home Cooks method of doing the first fermentation, and then for the second fermentation I kind of just do my own thing, and so far it has turned out pretty good. So let me just take you along from start to finish of what I do for my kombucha. And if you're wondering why I am not showing the baby on our back, I will link a couple of videos for you. He is currently in foster care with the plan of adopting pretty darn soon, and so I will link those for you in case you missed out.
That's right.
All right, so I just added the other 8 cups, so now it is 16 cups of tea. Black tea. It's steeped for about 10 minutes. I don't remember what his video says, so if he says something different, follow what he says. But this is what I ended up doing. Now just adding in the 1.5 cups of sugar.
That should be good. Why did you say so? You want to come up here? See, the boys are inside too. They're all inside. They're all inside. Come on. Come on.
Would you like a snack? Do you want this banana? All right, go get up on your stool.
Yeah. You're lucky Mama's not using the noise. You're such a little banana boy.
Okay, so this made 8 bottles. I had about a gallon of kombucha. So with all the juice, it made about 8 bottles. And as I mentioned in my last kombucha video, I just used the old Health Aid kombucha bottles, and they've worked fine for me, and I've used them several times actually. Still get a pretty good seal on them. So now now I'm just tightening them up, and I need to label them, and then we'll let them sit for about 3 days. We will burp them every single day, and that's just opening them up to let them hiss a little bit. And then they'll be ready. You throw them in the fridge and they'll be ready to go. All right, just tried it. It's actually really good. A light flavor. It's definitely not vinegary at all. It's really sweet. And I would say this one's a win. This one was the cherry one, and I'll try the other two as well. Up next is mango lemonade. Interesting color, but let's see if it tastes good. Actually tastes really good. It tastes kind of like a paradise summertime type of a drink. Really good, not a good color, but it tastes good. And you know what? This one, I'm looking at the difference. The cherry actually got very carbonated. Mango lemonade didn't, and I'm thinking because there was not as much sugar in that juice. All right, strawberry lemonade. This one also does not have a ton of carbonation, it looks like. Still a good flavor, very mild. Favorite is the cherry for sure. Okay, so now that I am looking at this black cherry juice, this was a not from concentrate juice, which is what I'm going to recommend for all of them. This one is the Lakewood brand. I bought this from our Sprouts, but I'm sure you can find something similar at your stores. This one actually had less sugars than the other ones, but because it is pure black cherry juice, I think that's why we had better results. So all in all, for the juice, I would definitely go not from concentrate juices like this one. And I wouldn't do the other types that were, let me get it. Yeah, so these juices that I use, the Santa Cruz ones, so these were lemonades. These weren't even juice. And he's going crazy. I was just in a rush at the store and I kind of just thought they were juice, but I'm reading the back and it actually says, it only says 11% juice. Wah, wah. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was helpful to see some of my mistakes, but also to just help you out with your second fermentation process and how to flavor your homemade kombucha. I definitely want to do another video where I buy strictly not from concentrate juices and use those. I'm sure they're going to turn out delicious and nice and fizzy, just how the cherry one in this video turned out. But anyways, stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe for more because I definitely like putting out videos like this. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.